Hey guys, it's finally Songkran here in Thailand and we're here at Cicada's night market and let's see what is inside. So once you come in, you'll see Thai music right here showing traditional. Right now you'll see the shadow play or called Nang Talung in Thai. This one is kind of like a comedy Thai show that is used in the ancient times of Thailand, and they would use wooden and hard paper cut into shapes of animals and people, and then they'll show it inside a shadow form by using a cloth and then a bunch of lights that can show the contrast and see the shadows as a silhouette. Hey guys, right now we're at an art exhibition of Thailand. You can see a bunch of artists right here showing their works. Okay guys, as you can see here, you can see a bunch of pictures right here. I really love this one because it's like a type of art in Thailand we call Gat Salak, and it's these are just photos of the Grand Palace of Thailand. Look at how beautiful they make. So actually we don't have a vlog camera here because like I didn't get one yet, but I just want to say that I love this market really much because like I was here like since a long time ago, so hopefully you guys can see. So pretty. So what I really like about the markets here is like the handmade things that people do. It's like such a charm of Thai people. This is like really cool. Like you can see every single angle that like they actually love doing stuff. You can see there little bracelets. It's fake, guys. So right now we're like at another market because we were getting really tired, and so we're at another market which is mostly just food because my mom wants to eat food. We got really tired, so we're gonna eat now. So we got 3 barbecues. One was beef, chicken, and then pork, which my mom got. And then I have this really cute drink. It's pineapple and mint mixed together as a smoothie, and then like I tried it out and it's actually good. Taste test. Oh. I can't take it off. these beautiful night markets resembles the Thai culture. And I hope you guys enjoy the video that I've been taking you guys through each type of markets. So, good night.